Did you know that Zoom has an interactive whiteboard? It's something you can share on your screen and everyone in the meeting can annotate and write on. Be sure to check with the people joining your Zoom session to see if they're able to annotate. Sometimes it's a real limitation on someone using a Chromebook.
This is Christina Treccia, and in this video, we're going to look at the interactive whiteboards. If you're working with people on Chromebooks, this might not work for you, so please be sure to check that out before planning to use the whiteboard. All right, let's get started. I'm in a Zoom meeting, and I'm going to show you what it looks like for a participant. The host is sharing the actual interactive whiteboard. So person one is the host, and here I am, Christina Treccia. Two-person meeting, real simple. Just want to show you some of these things. What I can do to annotate on the whiteboard is I go up to View Options, where it says you are viewing person one's screen. I go to View Options, I click on that, and I can actually change the size. I can request remote control, and the host can say yes or no. But what I can do is I can annotate. This is how you interact on the whiteboard. So you actually need, as a participant, to learn how to do that. You might think, I can just share an interactive whiteboard with my team and they'll just start jumping in. Nope, you have to actually show them, view options, and then go to annotate. Now I'm not annotating. Now I am. I can draw with text. I go to this menu. I click in here. Here is my text. It's blue. I can make it another color by going to Format. I can make it green. Now it's green. I can draw arrows. Right? My arrows are red. I can make an arrow blue. You'll see my name on there. That's because the host setting is set to put names by who's annotating, so you can actually see who's contributing to the work. Something that's really interactive with this too is a stamp, a question mark, and the good old drawing. Beyond just scribbles, you actually can create shapes. If you're doing some developing and using models in science or modeling in math, doing some comparisons, you could do different shapes and lines. Now you might think, I couldn't do this with a large group or my whole class, but every breakout room can do this. A person can be assigned to share their screen and then choose the whiteboard, and then people can interact on the whiteboard. I can undo, I can clear, and actually I can save this on my computer if I wanted to have a copy. The host can set it up in settings so that they save it every time a meeting ends, so it's automatically on save. I'm going to show you now what it looks like when you're the host. So now I'm the host. I changed that really quickly, and it's a great way to learn how to use Zoom. Have another account on your phone or another thing going, and you can switch what it looks like participant and host. To create the interactive whiteboard to share with others, so this is the host view. What you saw before was the participant view. We go down here, follow my mouse, that big yellow ring, and go to share screen. We click on that and we see our options. I always want to point your attention to the fact there is an advanced option that's explored in other series in these sessions, along with some other screen sharing stuff. But we're really focusing on a whiteboard. So some people look for whiteboard on the menu. It's not there. It's in screen share. So now I go to whiteboard and then I click share. So you can see here, person one has drawn a cat on the whiteboard that I shared with them. I have gone to more in the menu here and gone to enable attendee annotation. Let's see what it looks like when person one does it in real time and we can actually see their name on what they're doing. Here is person one doing something they've been asked to do or that they think they want to share with the group. La da 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 da. There we go. Similar to a smartboard or something interactive like a whiteboard in person, we can see contributions in real time. This is great for breakout rooms or large group meetings. As the host, this is the menu you need to know about to disable attendee annotation, because if it's enabled, anyone who knows how to annotate can start drawing on whatever you're sharing, whether it's a slide or a picture, which is another great interactive thing to do. But if you don't want that to be happening, You simply go to More, so follow my mouse up there, and you go to Disable Attendee Annotation. The interactive whiteboard is one of the annotation tools that Zoom has. It can be interactive and great in planning in the way that you plan to use it, but make sure it works with the devices that your group is using.